what is implantation? So from the stage of fertilization, the conceptus or the conceptus which is going into the endometrium, means it is going to embed in the endometrium. The process is known as implantation. Okay, so the process, how do we define the process by which the conceptus or the blastocyst gets embedded in the uterine endometrium in the uterine endometrium, in which phase? In secretory phase of menstrual cycle or the secretory phase of the endometrium, like with the help of the hormones, by the effect of the hormones, the endometrium changes. Okay, or the blastocyst which is going to embed in endometrium, it causes reaction. That reaction is known as Decidua reaction. So we will learn how in detail what are the various things which will be covering under implantation. So it is the process in which the conceptus, we have read, I have told you about that IT couple story, that they got married and the zygote is formed and then division of work. All these things, this story I have told already. So we have finished up to the stage where they are divided into inner cell mass and outer cell mass. So I will be revising that again, but this is the definition, that the process by which the conceptus or the blastocyst get embedded into the uterine endometrium in the secretory phase of the menstrual cycle is known as implantation. That is the complete definition of the implantation. Okay, so from here, so first we consist of from where? From fertilization to implantation. Okay, implantation. So how this is going to happen? How this implantation takes place? So implantation takes place by the three mechanisms. What are the three mechanisms? These are the three processes or mechanism by which it takes place. Like first process is your muscular process, then second is your adhesive process, and third is your invasive process. So in this muscular process, what will happen? That blastocyst is only attached over that layer of the muscular or the endometrial layer of the, it's not truly attached, it's just lie there. Muscular thing, it just lie there over the muscular wall. So it lies, blastocyst lies over that muscular wall, that trophoblast. This is the, you can remember, this is the trophoblast, outer trophoblast. Okay, and this is the inner cell mass, and this is the outer cell mass. This is the inner cell mass, this is the inner cell mass, and this is the outer cell mass. Okay, so it is just attaching to the uterine endometrium. Just lies there. Okay. Now adhesive. Who is preventing this implantation? A major role of zona pellucida here. Okay. So who is stopping this implantation? There is a layer of zona pellucida. Zona pellucida क्या है? एक रिपल्सिव लेयर है. जैसे कि क्या है, एक वैक्स की कोटिंग हम कर देते हैं. जहाँ पे भी पानी जाता है, हम लोग वहाँ क्या करते हैं? वी डू अ वैक्स कोटिंग सो दैट वाटर डज नॉट एंटर्स इनसाइड. तो यहाँ पे क्या है, in endometrium, the zona pellucida is preventing the implantation. Abhi, initially, that means if premature implantation, it prevents the premature implantation. If zona pellucida is not there, that the zygote will get implanted into the uterine tube itself, and this will give rise to the ectopic pregnancy. Okay, which is not we want. We want a normal, healthy intrauterine pregnancy. So this zona pellucida is preventing that premature implantation. Okay, that is the point number 1. Then adhesive. So with the time on the 5th day after fertilization, what will happen? There will be hatching of the blastocyst. Hatching of the blastocyst. जैसे एग का हैचिंग होता है, the same thing. Hatching of the blastocyst means was there will be thinning. There will be thinning of the zona pellucida. There will be thinning of the zona pellucida, and since this zona pellucida is preventing that implantation, so now it is not there. So the blastocyst is getting implanted into the uterine cavity or the endometrium. Okay. Now there is the invasive. So the outer trophoblast cell. This is the outer trophoblast cell. Okay. So trophoblast is divided into two types. One is the polar and one is the mural. Polar is the central portion which is going and attaching into the endometrium. जो एकदम बीच का है. पोल क्या रहता है? सेंट्रली रहता है, बिल्कुल सीधा रहता है. So it is going direct into that endometrium. So that is the polar. So part of the inner cell mass which is directly attaching, or the first which is attaching to the endometrium, that is the polar trophoblast, and outside the peripheral is your mural trophoblast. We will discuss in detail. So outer cell mass, they invade that columnar epithelium of the uterus, and this is the step in the invasive. This is the invasive step. So via the action of these three mechanisms, one is the muscular, one is the adhesive and invasive, this blastocyst is going to invade into the endometrium and getting implanted. So this is the implantation. Now how many type of implantation? So not much detail, but you should know in humans which type of implantation will be there. Okay. So what are the three types of implantation?